different attachments, I'm going to be using this curled one to heat up some heat shrink wiring insulation. There's a safety button on the handle which you can press from either side. With the safety button pressed down, you've got to pull the trigger and it will switch on. And it switches off when you release the trigger. You can also use this trigger lockout so you don't have to hold the trigger pressed while you're using it. What you do is switch it on and hold the trigger pressed, press the lockout button, and then when you release the trigger will stay pressed and the heat gun will stay on. To switch it off again, you just press the trigger once and release it and it switches off. Now here you see me finishing off this 8-gauge earth wire for my car, which I just crimped a terminal on. The heat shrink tubing I'm using is the MC-IGI CM brand, which I also got on Amazon. Now obviously the heat coming directly out of the heat gun is going to be a little bit hotter than what gets curled back from the curling attachment. So I'm rotating the wire here just to get even heat distribution on all sides. And there we go, the heat shrink is nice and tight and I've got a secure insulated crimp terminal.